Welcome back to Auto Dive, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive innovation and design. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Honda Accord, a car that continues to redefine the midsize sedan segment with style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Accord has undergone a striking evolution, blending sophistication with athleticism. The redesigned front grille features a bold honeycomb pattern, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that give it a more aggressive stance. Sharp body lines flow seamlessly across its aerodynamic profile, while the rear showcases sleek taillights and an integrated spoiler that adds a touch of sportiness. Whether you're parked or in motion, the Accord demands attention. Under the hood, Honda has taken things to the next level. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine delivering impressive fuel efficiency and responsive power. But for those craving more excitement, the higher trims feature a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, producing an exhilarating 252 horsepower. And yes, the hybrid variant is back, offering a perfect blend of performance and eco-friendliness with even better fuel economy than before. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the premium cabin. Honda has gone all out with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an ergonomic layout that makes every drive feel luxurious. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now standard across all trims. It comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected without the clutter of cables. And for audiophiles, the top trims feature a premium Bose sound system, transforming your daily commute into a concert on wheels. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Accord doesn't compromise. Honda has equipped it with the latest version of Honda Sensing, their suite of advanced driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and the newly added hands-free driving mode available on select highways. It's clear Honda is doubling down on making every journey safer and less stressful. The Accord also scores big on practicality. With a spacious cabin that offers best-in-class rear legroom and a trunk that can easily handle all your gear, this sedan proves it's not just about style and performance, it's built for everyday life. And for those who like a bit of customization, Honda offers a range of trims and packages, allowing you to tailor the Accord to suit your lifestyle. So, is the 2025 Honda Accord worth your attention? Absolutely. Honda has managed to elevate an already iconic sedan by enhancing its design, technology, and performance while keeping the reliability and value the Accord is known for. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend road tripper, or someone who simply appreciates a well-rounded car, the 2025 Accord is ready to impress. Thanks for tuning into Auto Dive. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Honda Accord, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about this stunning new sedan. Until next time, drive safe and keep diving into the world of cars with us.